We begin in warming up the afternoon by giving ourselves a round of applause. Palakpakan naman tayo. And here we go. I just want to say thank you very much to Dr. Vicky Bello for my shades and my outfit for today. No, before we celebrate the Good Friday, ladies and gentlemen, we will also like to celebrate the life of this beautiful baby. We have Dilan, and of course to all of you, thank you so much for joining us all here today. Now, before we proceed, I'd like to request, kasi nagdala sa lighter, Ate Erica, charot. Itong i-light ang atuang candles sa cake. I'd like to request also the babies, yung mga bata natin. Tanang bata, can we please join us here? Dito tayo sa harap ng mga bata. Dali. Lahat ng mga bata, all the babies. Ayan. Here we go. Dali, lahat ng bata. Ayan. Kaya lahat dapat kumanta. Yung hindi kumanta o yung hindi kakanta, hindi makakakain. Here we go. Ayan. Ready? Babies will all sing the birthday song, huh? You have to help Kuya Dan in singing the birthday song because I am not a good singer, okay? Here we go. In 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Let's make it faster, mabilis. 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, day to you.
Rita, sige na happy birthday. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Daylan.
Regala siya ako to. Blow
the candle.
And palakpak tayo.